So Google Drive is one of the applications that makes it easy to be able to upload files, especially if you're taking photos or even video from your phone. You need to have the app installed whether you're on an Android or an Apple phone. And the first thing you need to do is go in and actually sign into the account. So that's going to give you the option right here to be able to sign into the different email accounts and attach your Google account to Google Drive. Now, once you have that in place, it's a simple matter of recording a video, taking pictures, or what have you. And in this case, for example, I'm going to select this top video right here. And then down here under Share, I'm going to select Share. I'm going to hit Save to Drive. And then right here, it's going to give me the option to name it. I'm going to choose which account I'm actually attaching it to. And then I'm going to choose the folder in Google Drive that I want to be able to upload that to. I'm going to hit Select, and then I'm going to hit Save. Now, what's going to happen when I hit Save is it's preparing it, and then that's automatically going to start loading onto Google Drive.